We have Milena. Say hi. Hi. Navya, Navina, and Navya. And where is Pranav? Hi, Pranav. Hello. And we have our very close friend.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Amila,
Let's sing happy birthday.
Shiva, and Amit. They're playing V. And we are gathered here to celebrate Debashish. We are gathered here to celebrate Debashish Mama's birthday. And we have 4 lovely young ladies here who are gonna cut the cake for you, Dada. So let's cut the cake. And since it was your birthday yesterday, 25th of November, and we were waiting for our friends, very good friends, to come over, so everybody can cut the cake for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dada Uncle. Happy birthday to you. Now cut the cake. Thank you. Okay. Cut the cake.
Please.
Careful. Yeah. দাদা তোর জন্মদিনে দেখ তোর 4টে বাচ্চা কেক কাটছে তোর জন্য শিবা পামেলা আমাদের অনেক পুরনো বন্ধু, অনেক ভালো বন্ধু। আর ঠিক আজ থেকে মামা ওটা তোর জন্য ওই বাবেলে। সো আর ঠিক আজ থেকে 1 মাস পরে মিলেনার বার্থডে।
Don't touch, please. Don't touch.
Okay.